The feeling of being constipated is one of the most uncomfortable sensations that the human body can feel. The body feels so bloated and uncomfortable, and it just wants to relieve itself. At times, this can create some pain and bleeding. If you're dealing with constipation, then you know how badly you want some help.
Bag, give me that, oh, that's mine. And that money's not yours.
I've used these tips over the years and I stand behind these tips 100%. Pay attention and grab a notebook to write these down, especially the last one. So let's jump into the first tip. Instead of resorting to medications to heal your problem, you should take the natural approach first. This is a better route to take because it leaves your body with little to no side effects. You won't have any other problems to deal with, and you won't have to worry about taking medication every day at a certain time. Natural remedies work with your body to heal the problem, not forcing your body to do the work with medication. In order to prevent constipation naturally, there are some things that you can do at home starting today. First of all, you need to up your fiber intake. Too many people in this world aren't getting the right amount of fiber. This is a big contribution to constipation. Without fiber, your body cannot produce the right stool effectively, and this leaves you feeling irregular and very uncomfortable. Eat plenty of whole grains, nuts, and green leafy veggie foods that will keep you on track. As you see, the first tip can be real easy, and I'm gonna make it even easier. In the description below, I'm gonna have about 40 recipes for you guys that you can have for free. It's easy. You go in the bottom, just hit the link, put in your email, and I send it to you within a few seconds. Another way to prevent constipation naturally is to drink more water. If you are up to your water intake, then your body will benefit in plenty of ways. Right now, if you are dehydrated, that could be one of the main reasons why you are experiencing constipation. Your stool is probably extremely dry because it is trying to absorb some kind of water. Since it is dry, it is stuck in your body and cannot come out. Drinking water can loosen it up a bit and soften up your stool in the future, so you can use the bathroom or washroom with ease. I hope a few of these tips are really working for you guys and you're writing them down so you can use them every single day. Right, real quick, go ahead and just hit a like, hit a subscribe for me. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this video in the comments. Now, the last natural way to relieve constipation is to exercise. This will help to loosen your body up and relax your body and your mind. This will help you to keep you healthy and will also keep your intestines clean and healthy as well. Constipation can also be caused by using some drugs and medications, particularly laxatives, which have calcium carbonate and aluminum hydroxide. If you take laxatives on a regular basis, try to treat your condition through natural methods, such as increasing their fiber, like we said, and avoiding fatty foods. Fat is hard to digest compared to other nutrients, which means that it could stay in your stomach longer, causing indigestion, heartburn, and other digestive problems. Constipation doesn't have to be a problem for you any longer if you follow these simple steps. Taking laxatives and other forms of medication can be a thing of the past, and you can solve this problem naturally and effectively. These are just some of the natural but effective ways to prevent or get rid of constipation. By following them, your body would be able to digest the food you eat better, promoting better overall health. Now, if you guys want further help with this, I have a link at the bottom to a free 60-minute consultation where maybe I could be able to help you with this and be able to lose the weight that you want to get off or to build the muscle that you want to put on. Link is going to be in the description, but as always, thank you for checking out this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey, hold on, man. Trying to turn it off. Hey, trying to turn off my video. Get mine. Alright.